DIY, fix your stair post. These are the entry points where you'll have to get to adjust the bolts, which are anchoring this stair post. Just look how wobbly it is. I have to fix it. First things first, I have to remove these screws that I anchored in, trying to secure it, but it didn't do any help. I'm going to swap out my bit for a drill bit. I will be using a 3/4 inch drill bit. Just cleaning out the hole, removing all those drill shavings to see if I could get a better picture. And as you can see, there it is, the nut and bolt. Now for this other side. As I'm drilling, I get to a stopping point which doesn't allow me to drill any further. I wasn't sure why. So I attempt to use a screw to try to prop it out, anything that I had readily available. That gave me the idea to use a different drill bit to make the hole slightly larger. And with this drill bit, it allowed me to actually drill a little further. And if you can't see already, the bolt is a lot closer than it was compared to the other side. These are all the tools I used in attempt to get to that bolt. And come to find out, I do not have the correct wrench size. And so I decided to use the screw that I pulled out from the stair post, and I was able to turn it some just by doing what I'm doing here, but it still wasn't enough to secure it to where it would be firm and sturdy. So I decided to move on and just measured the dowel hole. And then I actually went and purchased the right size wrench, which allowed me to actually secure the bolt and tighten it onto its anchor. Here we go to the other side. And for this side, I wasn't able to use the wrench to tighten it. So instead, I just hand tightened what I could and left it at that. I was able to purchase the covers for the holes. It was a 1-inch diameter. And here I'm gonna put it in. I'll probably use the finish at a later time, but for now this will work. And here it is on the other side as well. And here it is. A lot more sturdy than it was before. Not as wobbly. So I was able to secure it as best as I can with what I had. I could probably secure it down a little more, but for now that'll do. And that is how I secured my stair post. Good luck.